Hi, I'm Jim Duby with the Seminole County Greenways and Natural Lands Program. We're here at the Little Big Econ Canoe Launch on County Road 419, and we're going to lead you on a trip down the Econ River. If you're ready, let's go. Jessica.
Jim Duby.
You just hang out at canoe launches looking for a ride?
I do. Or do you want to join me today?
Absolutely.
Awesome.
In my canoe.
In your canoe. Yeah, where are we?
So in Seminole County, you have the Big Econ and the Little Econ. We're on the Big Econ. So the Econ River starts way down in Osceola County. It's about 54 miles long and dumps out into the St. Johns River in Seminole County.
Wow.
We'll do about 8 miles today.
Okay, I was about to say I didn't do enough arm workout.
Well, you'll get it today. This is an automatic inflating life vest.
Fancy stuff.
If we were to tip, which we're not going to,
Hot.
we'll float. And off we go.
Off we go. So Jim, what does Econlockhatchee mean?
I knew that once.
You did?
I looked it up, but I've forgotten one. Do you know what it means?
I actually do. That was a test for you.
Okay. And I failed.
Yeah, I'm going to teach you something today. It means river of mounds.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Mounds of what?
You know, that's a great question. It's just mounds. Jim, so why does the water look like a glass of sweet tea?
Well, it's basically the same process. The Econ is known as a blackwater stream, and that's because the water, falls on the landscape and leaches through a bunch of dead leaves, basically, and picks up tannic acids. So it's called tannin. The water is tannin water, or a blackwater stream. Doesn't taste like iced tea, though.
Okay, I'll take your word for it.
There you go.
All right. Let's see if I can
And on the side there. Hey, look at that.
like a pro.
Right now it's pretty low, and so you're going to have these sandbars and fallen trees you're going to have to portage around. But I'm also looking in the water here, and I see a few little critters. There's a big, pretty good sized school of fish here.
Yeah.
And I'm going to go ahead and try and dip net. You hungry yet? It's time for a snack, right?
I might. Let's see. We'll see what you catch.
Most of these are what they call mosquito fish, or gambusia. And they'll actually use these in mosquito control. They'll take them to ponds or bodies of water where there are no fish so that they can eat the mosquito larvae. Okay, you can't say I didn't provide for you. You chose not to eat, but...
Thank you. I will pass on this meal. I trained my whole life for this.
Here, you get that side, I'll get this side.
What does that smell?
Look up there, right in the sand. You've got a little artesian spring. So it's not a spring like the Wakaiva, not coming from all the way down the aquifer, but there's a superficial aquifer. And if the water's under pressure, you get these little artesian springs. But it's pretty cool, but it does have that very strong sulfur smell. But there were people years ago at some of these springs that would come for miles on their vacations to soak in that. They thought it had healing properties. Jessica.
What's up?
Are you ready to spring back into action?
Let's go.
A little further? A little further?
Okay.
Just kidding.
Olympic sport.
So are we done?
I think so.
Yeah.
How long were we out there for?
Well, about 5 hours. The water level was low, so we had to pull the canoe a lot,
Yeah.
Portage it. There's a lot of trees down. Generally about 3.5, 4 hours.
Okay. Yeah, it was definitely a whole adventure.
It was.
But it was fun.
And for the really adventurous, there's another about an 8-hour trip if you continued from here out to the St. Johns River and then north up to 46 to take out at C.S. Lee Park.
Awesome. Yeah.
But I'm guessing right now that's a no for today?
Yeah, I did
Yeah.
not bring enough
Okay.
snacks for that. So maybe one day, but not today is not the day. So where's our next adventure gonna happen?
It's a surprise. But I'll look forward to seeing you then.
You too. I'm excited. So I'm gonna head out, and looks like you got everything covered here. So I'll see you next time. Bye.